Are you in need of converting Access database into Excel? Introducing SysTools Access to Excel Converter Tool. Best tool to export MS Access database into Excel file. Key features of the software. Access to Excel Converter allows to export Access database to Excel, CSV, ACCDB, and MDB format. The tool capable to export inaccessible, corrupted file and deleted records to XLS or XLSX format. Access to Excel Converter tool provides option to export only schema or schema and data. The software has dual saving options, Excel per database and Excel per table. To download the software, go to Google and search SysTools Access to Excel Converter. Click on the link that appears in the search results. Then click on the Download button. Now, install and run the software. The first interface will appear. Click on the Browse button to select the corrupt Access MDB or ACCDB file from its respective location on the drive. Once you reach to the respective location, select the file and click on the Open button to add the files. Once the file is added, click on the Recover button to begin the recovery of the data and conversion of the Access database. The software will start the recovery process. After the process has been completed, click on the Close button. After the recovery process, you can see all your table details on the left pane. If you select any table, expand the table and you will see all items in that table. Along with this, you can also able to see the recovered Access database in the right preview pane. After this process, click on the Export button to start the process. After clicking on the Export button, you will see multiple format options to choose from based on your requirements. We are converting into Excel file format. That's why select the .xls or .xlsx option. After selecting .xls format, click on Browse button to select the destination path. Select the folder from your system. You can also create new folder by clicking on Make New Folder option. After select the folder, click on OK. In Export Excel option, select any one option as per your need. For fill up the login credentials, enter username and the password. In Export option, choose Schema options, only schema or schema and data. If you want to export deleted records, then check the Export Deleted Record option. Now, click on Export or Save button. The software will start the conversion process. Once the process is completed, click on OK. After completing the whole process, you can see the following output folder where the conversion data is saved. And that's it. Log on to the given product page for more detail and purchasing the product. For any queries, mail us to support@systoolsgroup.com. Thank you for watching.